Wagwan KK Squad, it's your girl Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. So as you can see by the title, I'm coming with another headband wig. Headband wig number 3. Yeah, I'm gonna keep counting. Yeah, because I have more coming. So I'm gonna keep counting. Anyways, so I'm gonna just get right into the video. This company, Amazon seller, sent me this wig. This is a human hair straight Brazilian wig, headband wig, right? At the end of this video, if it's worth it, I'm gonna leave all information about this wig down in the description box if you guys are interested at the end of this video as well. It comes with a weaving cap. It's the mesh caps, you know, with the holes. I'm already wearing one. I already have my hair braided, guys. You know I've been rocking the headband wig, so I already have my hair braided. I have videos on how to braid your hair under a wig. I have videos how I prep my hair for headband wigs. So I'll leave all of that down below. I'm just here to show you another style because all this preparation I already have in other videos, and I'll leave it in the card or in the description. And this one came with 2 headbands. I'm loving this color right now. Bright. Me say bright and bright to me. Yeah. This is cute too, but I think I have like 3 of these already because of other wigs. This one, I feel like this one comes with all headband wig package. But this is new. I like this. Oh. I didn't know it was this long. I thought it was like a bob. And then this is like the instruction, I guess, how to take care of it, how to cure a wig. Cool, nice. We're gonna have to do something about this, cause that thin air not gonna work with me. I could just open it and see, cause you know me sturdy. I'm straight to the point. I'm gonna just get into it. I'm gonna let you know like how I feel. If it look good, it look good. If it not look good, yeah. So definitely smell like Brazilian here. Oh gosh, this is thin. Like, I don't know. I might have to cut it in a bob. Like, I just might have to cut this part off. You know, this little tail here. Or maybe not. Maybe I'll just like flat iron it to see like what it's gonna do. We're gonna put this on and put some heat on it and see if it actually works out. Let's see what it's giving after I'm done. Alright, so as you can see, the headband, it has the headband on it with the velcro, and I'm gonna just go right in it and put this wig on and then style it. Wait, hold up. This one has 3 combs. It has 2 on the sides, on each sides, and 1 at the bottom. My other headband wigs that I got had 1 in the top, and that 1 in the top was very important because it never slide back, but I don't know if the 2 at the side would actually stop it from sliding back. Guess because it's human hair, it's different. I don't know, but let's see what we got here. So I'm gonna stick the combs in each sides. Oh no. I don't know if it's because it's human hair. They put less on the actual wig. They put less here. Let's close this. So while I have the hair up, I'm gonna just go ahead and put this headband on over my neck. Anyways, honestly, it feels like nothing on my head. I'm gonna be honest. Yeah, it feels like at this point, I don't know if I should just go ahead and waste my time. The freak is this? Listen, you know what? I don't even know if I'm gonna upload this video. What the? Y'all tried it. Thin bro. Bruh. Alright, let's just put on this headband like. Not even I left this in the description. Sorry I wasted your time, guys. You know that my other headband wig video. Ooh, I love how this is snug. I love the headbands. Usually I'll be doing my baby hair and all the extra stuff before I do this, but I feel like I'm wasting my time right now. Like, I wish you guys could feel this. Like, I'm feeling my actual hair. Like, is it because it's straight here? So no trick people, I make people buy on here. Me not trick on no. Me not tell no lie. Me not company and tell no lie. Me no like this. This make my head look big. But me I go ahead and go and fix it, you know? Me I go fix it. So I'm gonna use a little bit of gel, my castor and flaxseed oil gel that I put in this container. And do I look a baby ear? No. Not do my bad. You know what's crazy? You know how long I'm supposed to record this video and I just keep putting it off? And it's a reason why. Am I this mad? The quality of the hair might be nice, but come on. Too raw here? Too raw? Can't do that to people. Yeah, I'll fix it up, man. Maybe it's just me not know if to fix it, but it's not enough hair. Honestly, it's not enough hair on the wig. It's not. Quick capping. Stop the cap. I'm gonna let you guys see the back. Don't come for me because I didn't make this wig. I already let you guys know how I feel about this wig. But look. Like, it's not that bad. It's just, it needed more hair. I'm sorry, it needed more hair. Maybe it's not that bad for other people, but suppose me didn't want to do a half up, half down. Guys, I think I over exaggerate about the hair because I've been wearing it all Memorial weekend and I actually love it. Like,
It honestly, it's thin. It's still thin, but I just feel like it do its thing because it feels so good, you know. I love it. Just never did give it the time before I start talking all that about it. But everybody think it's my hair, like I straighten my hair, but I wish it had more hair, especially in the back, you know. But I like it. I'm gonna leave the link down below if you guys are interested in it. Yeah, but I wore it all Memorial Weekend and it's pretty. Yeah, look, it's just blowing in the wind. It looks like my hair. So guys, I just washed the wig and I put a little rings on it to make it black. So I kind of dyed it a bit, washed it, dyed it, and flat ironed it just now. And this is what it's looking like. I actually like the wig. That's why I came back on here to update you guys that it's not so bad as I thought. So this is going to be my everyday wig where I wear to work and so forth. It's actually pretty decent, I ain't gonna lie. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Thank you guys so much for the support. Subscribe, please. Share this video, like, comment, let me know your thoughts down below. Stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.